Hello guys, my name is Kimball Afton. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to create a simple React form and authenticate it. So if you find this video useful, maybe you could subscribe to my channel. So as you can see right here, I've created a folder by the name test react, and what you're going to do is I'm going to open this with CMD. Then I'm going to open it in Visual Studio Code. Yes. Then I'm going to open a terminal so that we can create our React project. We're going to use our npx command, npx create react app client. Then it's going to be created. Let's wait. I'm going to pause the video till the project will be completely created. Then we could continue. Welcome back. As you can see, it's now completely installed. Application has been created. Right when I click this folder here called client, we can see our project. So first of all, what I want to do is to install some dependencies. So I'm going to type the command npm install react router DOM, then also npm install at material UI/com. I think also I'm going to install Axios because this is our client side. This one will help pass our response to the backend. This might take a while, so let's give it a wait. It's done. Okay, so we can now start our project. We're going to cd to client, then we type npm start. Then our project is going to be run in our browser. Give it a wait. You can see how it's starting. Okay, there's some file value. Yeah, you can see it's now being opened in our browser. Boom, that is it. Yeah, these are the default React project. I mean the default project that comes with React, but now you can change and modify. Okay, so come here, src come to index.js, just close that. Okay, just leave it that way. Okay, maybe we could remove this because it's going to be useless for us. Remove that. Remove. Yeah, that is it. Then I'll come to index. We come to app.js. We can get rid of the logo. We don't need it. Then you can also get everything, remove everything here, get rid of this. Yeah, that is it. Maybe you want to type hello, then see if it's working. Okay, fix that. Try to save, refresh. Okay, then you can see there is hello here, so we are good to start. So right here I could maybe initialize our project. I'm going to import React. From React we're also going to import useState, React useState from React. Yeah, we're going to import this one as a prop actually. So this is a functional component, remember. Now we're going to initialize our useStates. Initialize useStates const, maybe full name. Okay, full name. Set full name to be useState. Yeah, that is it. Okay, there's no comma here. That one should be that way. Let me close that. And then const another useState, maybe password. Set password to be useState. Then another useState again, maybe password repeat, so that the user can actually repeat and we can confirm if the password is the same. Set password repeat to be useState. Yeah, that is it. Then here is where we're going to validate our form. Then here is where we're going to handle submit. Yeah, that is we're actually going to put a button so that when the user clicks, the form will be submitted. Okay, let's now create now the UI. So we're going to div class equals to. Okay, first of all, let me add some bootstrap link. bootstrap links, online, copy this CSS link. Then I'm going to come to the public folder, index.html. Then right here in the head, we could add the link, bootstrap links. Below here, paste. Yeah, that is it. Okay, then let's come back to our app.js. Then we are going to say class, bootstrap class, that is our container. Inside it, we are going to initialize a row, another div of class column sm12. Bootstrap is actually for responsiveness, so that our application can be responsive as much as possible. So okay, let me initialize a p tag. React test application. Yeah, then maybe an input type equals to text, placeholder equals to enter full name. Then on change, going to initialize an on change. It will respond to what this function does. On change equals to this function. Wait, on change set full name to wait a little. Okay, wait, so we're going to pass a prop. This one is supposed to be a prop on change. Then initialize a function with an event. Yeah, that is it. Then I'm going to set full name to event.target value. Yeah, that is it. Then I'm going to break then another input type equals to password placeholder enter your password. On change equals to prop with a function calling an event dot target dot value. Okay, this one you have to set password to be the event to target dot value. Then the breaks, I'm going to copy that, paste here. Another input type password still placeholder repeat password. This is wrong, it's not supposed to be with a crossing tag, so we're going to cross it that way. That is our JSX in React equals to that. On change callback function, then now we're going to set password repeat to event dot target dot value. Yeah, that is it. Put a break again. That is it. Then we're going to put a button, add CSS styles, class equals to button large, button maybe primary. Then yeah, submit. I'm going to call it submit. That is it. Then before this, we're going to say on click pass a prop handle submit. We are going to call that. Right now there's an error because we've not initialized that function. Then we're going again, this one will output our errors. We're going to style it with a color of red. Then we're going to render prop, we're going to call it error message. Yeah, error message. So let me initialize this new state first. Const error message, set error message to be used state. Actually this one is supposed to be small letter. There's a naming convention in JavaScript. Then that is it. Okay, so we're going to initialize this function handle submit. So right here we're going to say const handle submit equals to the function. Yeah, that is it. Then we're going to request Axios import. We're going to import Axios from Axios. That is it. Then we're going to say, okay, first of all let's validate our form. Const validate equals to a function that does that, and the function returns boolean true in case our form is has no errors at all. Then in case there is an error, it will return false. So we're going to say let error message to be null in the first place. Then we're going to say if password equals to null, or password repeat equals to null, just to make sure that the user actually fills all the fields in the form, or full name equals to null. We're going to display this. We're going to set error message to be fill all the fields. That is it. Else if password repeat is not equal to password, then okay, yeah, it's supposed to be that way. Then we're going to set error message to be password and its confirmation should match. Then anything else we're going to that we need to check. Else if maybe you can restrict the number of password characters. If password dot length is not equal to maybe 5 characters, we could place the error message to be password should have 5 or more characters. Actually this one is supposed to be greater. If it is less than, if password is less than 5, we are going to display to the user that password should have 5 or more characters. Then we are going to say finally if error message, if now there's an error, we are going to set error message That is it. Then we are going to return false, because if there is an error, we're going to display the error to the user, and then we're going to return false. That means the form won't be submitted. Okay, that is it. Now let's click on our hand of submit. Code this thing, hand of submit. We're going to say const is valid equals to validate. Yeah, that is it. If it's valid, then we're going to do this. We're going to say const new person, then we're going now to initialize a JSON file that that will hold the details from our front end, from the user, so that we can send to the backend with access action. Yeah, that is it. So we're going to say a full name, password, yeah, that is it. Then we can now come here and say we're going to submit the form. We're going to say actions dot post, then we're going to initialize the route. Maybe it's register route, then new person. Yeah, that's the details now that our user is going to input from our form. Wait, this one should be http//localhost. Maybe if your server is running on port 4000, we are going to put the server on port 4000, then /register now. Yeah, that's the route. This is the route that is going to be generated in our server backend. It's going now to send the new person details here, the full name and the password, to our server, to this route in our server. Okay, then .catch .send. Let's get the response first with a function and parameter response. Let me put that so that it can be clear. console.log the response. Then .catch, we're going to catch error. Then we could console.log the error as well. Yeah, that is it. Let's now check our form, see if it's working. Let me refresh this. Yeah, you can see this login to React test application, and there's full name, password, and then we could repeat our password. So let me try to test you the validation works. When I click on submit, you can see there's fill all the fields. Yeah, this error is now displayed this from this paragraph error message. If I try to put password that doesn't match. Let me try to put something. Password and its confirmation should also match. Okay, then if I say my name is Kimboy Restaurant, and maybe 1 2 3 4, put a password that is less than 5, and then we could check. Password should have 5 or more characters. So our form is actually working correctly. Yeah, so that is it. Thank you for watching. If you think this is useful to you, maybe you could subscribe to my channel. Thank you.